Hi guys, it's been a while. How do you like my manicure? I've been in the studio painting. Here's one of my newest ones. I'm in love with this one. I love the happy colors. The definition. That magenta is gorgeous. But I also like the white space so your eye can rest. That one won't be resined until next week. But let me walk you over here. There's my big mess. I've been painting all day. This is a big 48 by 30 that I did as a custom piece. I'm trying to get the whole thing in there. For a porch. This will go over a sofa on a porch. And I can't wait for the new owner to check it out. They gave me the colors they like. They wanted a white background because it's a brown wood wall, so they wanted it to pop off the wall. And I'm loving it. It really has some pretty detail to it. And believe it or not, you can't see it. This is still wet, but you can kind of see that sparkle in that gold. And there's a little bronze in there too. There, that's a little bit better. Kind of see that. This will be resined next week as well. If you like what you see, hit like and subscribe, and I can keep videoing. Thank you so much.